Welcome to the PortalConnect online training tutorial of how to access and upload a file in the library section. The information you will see in this video is purely fictitious and used for training purposes only. If you need to view a file your doctor may have uploaded for you, once logged into your PortalConnect account, please select the Library tab. This section will display any folders the doctor has shared with you. This section is defaulted to show you all folders. If you select the drop-down arrow, you can specify your search to a specific folder to retrieve the file you may be looking for. If you know the title of the file that was uploaded, you also have the option to search the file name or date in that search bar. Once you have selected the file you wish to view, please select the blue Download File button on the right-hand side. This will download the file to your downloads on your computer where you can access it to view it. If you would like to upload a file for the doctor, please select the blue Upload File button on the top right-hand side. This will display a window that allows you to search your documents on your computer. Select the document you wish to upload and click on Open, and the file will be displayed in this folder. Please be aware that your provider may not review the content of your document immediately. If the file's content needs to be reviewed urgently, contact your provider directly. That concludes our training tutorial on how to access and upload a file in the library section.